Hi everybody and welcome back to MDTV. When you go into a mobility shop and you actually end up at the till with what you want to buy, you end up with your box of, this one's actually a bath stool and this one's a walker. The young lady zaps them all, you price them up, you take them home, you unbox them and you assemble them, off you go. Nothing wrong with that, that's actually the way it works. And especially remember that if you buy something online, it is going to end up at your house, at your door or wherever, and it will be in a box. Now a lot of these things, they're very straightforward and simple for us to build, but they're not very straightforward and simple for you to build, because sometimes pushing them together to get the pins to lock out and all this sort of thing, it just isn't easy. So at MD Mobility, and that's at Northallerton and Gisborough, when you come into a shop, that's an Oslo walker in a box. We have already built it for you. Take it a stage further. Not only is it built for you, but the handles are set to the right height for the person that's going to use it. The bath seat, like I saw in a box, comes like this. Now that's really low to the floor at the moment because it's got adjustable feet. Yet again, we would adjust that for the right height for you. All you have to do is take it out, put it in your car, take it home and use it. So it's just to say that everything is built for you here. If you can't get into the shop and we have to come to your house, but you've had to look at the catalogues that we do and you say, I want this, this and this and this, we'll bring them to the house and we'll actually make sure that they're all assembled and working for you before we leave. Just another service that we offer. We're here to help and we always will do so. So thank you.